Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just spent about $300 at Home Goods and TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I bought a lot of stuff. This is the first time, or I just went shopping for the first time in 4 months by myself to do like a real shopping and not like a quick in and out of the store, like get in the store, get in and out as fast as I can. I actually went out by myself shopping. Greg watched the kids for me. This was my Mother's Day present. I just wanted a couple hours out of the house to go shopping by myself, and I got a lot of stuff, yeah, so I couldn't pass this up. I wanted to make a haul for you guys and show you what I got because I'm really excited about pretty much everything that I got. And I am standing in the kitchen right now and the kids are playing outside, so I'm kind of like watching them at the same time. I had to do this video like this, otherwise I wouldn't have the time or the chance to do it. So sorry if you can hear them in the background, but Noah's down here too, and he's being good right now. So I'm gonna try to get through this and show you guys what I got. First thing that I got, because it's sitting on the counter right here, is a big plate, and I'm not gonna say like where this stuff is from. It's all from Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls. They're pretty much the same store, so it doesn't really matter. But I got a big plate, and it's like this pretty mint green color, kind of. This is gonna be my monkey bread plate. If you don't know what monkey bread is, it's like the best dessert ever. My mom makes it for me on my birthday all the time. She used to make it all the time when I was a kid, and even now she sometimes still makes it for me. I need to try to learn how to make it myself and make it good. I just need like I didn't have a big plate to put it on, so that's what that is for. Next, I got a pair of oven mitts. I noticed the other day that the oven mitt that I've had since I think that it was the first oven mitt that I ever got when I first moved into the little apartment. It had a rip in it, like right on the thumb, like where you would grab stuff, so I'm lucky I didn't burn myself. So I got myself 2 new oven mitts, and I got like the short kind because I don't really understand the point of having it go like all the way up your arm. So yeah, I got those, and I got them in like this light bluish color. And then I got a frying pan by Cuisinart, and I think, is that what I don't know, Greg spent days researching, even weeks probably, researching what kind of frying pans and stuff that we were gonna get. He bought a set, and I think he bought Cuisinart. Hold on. Yeah, he did. It's Cuisinart. But they're like stainless steel and they're super heavy. So whenever I have like meat in the pan that has like grease and everything, then I have to put a lid on it and like drain the meat. It's so heavy that I literally can't even hold it with my hand. So I just wanted one that was lightweight that I could actually like cook with and lift. So I got this one. I don't have a lid for it yet though, so hopefully I can find a lid somewhere that will fit this, or maybe I have one already that will fit. But yeah, got a frying pan. Super exciting. This was just on the top of my bag, but I picked up one of these big reusable bags from Marshalls. Yeah. And then I have this big laundry basket full of stuff. But first, I got this laundry basket for Greg for our room because he doesn't have a place to put his laundry. I collect all the laundry downstairs, but he changes his clothes upstairs and just leaves them there. So instead of them being on the floor and like staying on the floor, now he can have a laundry basket to put his clothes in. Then inside of here, I have this big bag and then another bag. And I have another bag on the floor. But I got this pillow for our bed. I don't like a lot of pillows on the bed. This is like my new thing. I just want the bed to be like really simple, but I kind of felt like it needed a little bit of something. So I got this one little pillow to put like in the front of our regular pillows, and yeah, I don't know. That is just what it looks like. It's kind of like a, I don't know, there's like light pink and like a deeper pink and then like a light blue stripe, and I just thought it was really cute, so I grabbed it. This I think I grabbed at Marshalls. Yeah, it's just it's for Madison. It's a little 4th of July shirt. Then I picked up this basket, and I thought this was so cute. I just love this style with like, it looks like wood on the bottom and then the light cloth, whatever this is on top. I can't describe things. I just like the way this basket looks. And I got this for Noah's little toys in the living room. It is kind of small. I was hoping I could find, or I tried finding one that was just a little bit bigger than this. All right, you're gonna come inside if you don't behave. You have to share the ball. Like I was saying, I was hoping that I could find this in a little bit of a bigger size, but they didn't have one. But I couldn't let it go. I had to get it, so hopefully this will be good for his toys for a little while. I don't plan on keeping a ton of toys out at the same time, just a few, so should be alright. Then I just got a set of little blue kitchen towels, just like, I normally use like a reusable cloth towel for the counters, but sometimes I just want to use like a washcloth for something that's dirtier and then I can just wash it. So I got a set of these. I also got a set of little white like microfiber cloths, like small ones. I have these, but I have like bigger ones and I use them to like dry down the shower. But I wanted some small ones just for like cleaning and dusting and stuff, so got those. And this I got at TJ Maxx, and it's just a pair of sandals for myself. They just look like this. I thought they were super cute. I kind of wish I knew the brand, because a lot of times TJ Maxx will have like good brands that I recognize for cheaper, but I've never heard of this brand, Mia. I don't know, let me know if you guys have heard of that and like where they sell it. But I tried them on, they were comfy. And my sandals that I've been wearing are like way worn out, like they look terrible. I think I've worn them for like 5 years now, so I definitely needed a new pair. Like I didn't even want to like wear them out of the house this year, so I'm definitely gonna have to get rid of those. So I got myself a new pair. And then these, I don't remember which store I got these at. Home Goods, I think. I got the kids beach towels in kid size. I got this one for Madison. And then this one for Chase. It's a hooded towel, shark hood or whatever. It smells really bad though. I really need to wash these. But yeah, I got them 2 beach towels. I also got myself a beach towel. This one's a little bit different. I don't know, it feels different than like a regular beach towel. It's supposed to be like super absorbent and fast drying. But I don't know, I thought it was pretty. It has like a little tropical print on it, so I got that for myself. I also picked up one of these little folding step stool things. I grabbed this because I thought it would be good for when we go on vacation. I haven't even mentioned that yet, but we're going on vacation, or should I say a trip. We're taking a trip with the kids. Not really a vacation, a trip. But I thought this would be good to bring with us so that Chase could like reach the sink in the bathroom and stuff like that. I didn't even realize that I probably could have just taken the little step stool that we have. It wouldn't have taken up that much room, but I thought about that after the fact. So now we have a little collapsible step stool, which I guess is always good to have. So there's that. I also got a set of these little cutting boards. I have wood cutting boards. I think they're bamboo. They're not supposed to go in the dishwasher, and it kind of just scaves me out a little bit because I feel like they're not getting cleaned well enough, especially when I have like meat on them. So I wanted to get a set that could go in the dishwasher, and these are nice and small. Came in a 4-pack, so I can just switch it out whenever I feel like I want a new one. So I got those. I got another set of dish towels because you can always use some new dish towels. Well, I needed new dish towels. I only have a couple that I actually like. So I got this set and they're all the same. They're just like striped that blue color, which I guess I like this blue color. There's a lot of stuff that I picked out that is blue. It's kind of my color, I think. Yeah, and then this I'm really excited about. I've been wanting to get myself one of these forever, and I always see them in the stores and I never pick one up. Well, I used to see them in the stores when I actually went to stores all the time, but it's like an apron for cooking. How cute is that? It has lemons on it. I thought that was adorable. Isn't that so cute? Yeah, I don't know. I have ruined many shirts before cooking on the stove, like greasy stuff, and it splashes on my clothes, and I don't like wash it out soon enough, or I just can't get it out. So the last time that happened, I was like, you know what, I'm going to buy an apron. So I got myself one of these now. I don't have to worry too much about splashing stuff on my clothes. Oh, I was gonna say, is that everything? I was like looking around to see what else there was. There's a couple more things. This I picked up for Noah. We need to get him some summer stuff because he's growing out of his 6-month stuff already, and I don't have like hand-me-down summer stuff in the size that he needs. So this is the only thing that I could find at Marshall's. So I just got him this. It has a little whale on the back. What is this? Oh, I got another notepad because I use these all the time for grocery lists and just any other random lists that I'm making, or just like notes. Keep it in the kitchen. What is in here? Oh, okay. Oh, I got I picked up a thing of sunscreen because they were a good deal. I think it was like $5, $6 for a big thing of sunscreen. I thought that was pretty good. I got three. Wow, three? I got 3 things for myself? Wow, I thought I only got 2. So apparently I got 3 tops. I don't even remember grabbing this one. No, is this for me? Is this mine or is this Madison's? I can't tell. It's mine. I don't remember grabbing this. But I got this top for myself. It's just you know, striped. I guess I do kind of remember it. I liked the back of it because I wear my hair up all the time, so I liked that there was a little detail on the back there. I haven't tried any of these on yet, so we'll see how they look when I try them on. I got that one, and then another striped one. I got this top. It's got buttons and it ties at the bottom. So many of the tops out right now have that tie on the bottom. I guess that is the trend right now. I don't know how it's going to look on me, but I do have a pair of like high-waisted jeans that I just got, so maybe it'll look good with that. And then this one, it's just a little tank top. But I thought it was really cute. I just really liked the print. I didn't really like the price too much. It was $15, so I thought that was kind of expensive for just a tank top, but whatever. And then I got a candle. I haven't bought a candle in a really long time. This looks black on the camera, but it's not. It's like a really deep reddish purple color. In the scent Lavender Chamomile by DW Home. These are my favorite ones for home goods. They smell so good. And even when you burn them, they smell really good. Like you can actually smell it. But I've really been loving lavender lately just for like stress relief and like relaxation. I have a little tube of it in the shower. Not a tube. Like a essential oil thing in the shower. So when I'm in the shower, I just like sniff it. And yeah, I just really like how it smells. So I got a candle so I can enjoy it throughout the day instead of just in the shower. But yeah, I think that is everything. That is my big haul. Hold on a second. It's way too quiet outside. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I know hauls are kind of like old school now on YouTube, but I love filming hauls and I love seeing what other people bought. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you aren't already. If you're new, I do cleaning videos and organizing and hauls apparently, and all that kind of like home stuff and some other random videos sometimes too. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.